Hi, I'm Mike Walsh, CEO of EspriGas. We're part of a $130 billion global industrial gas business, an industry that dates back to the Industrial Revolution and continues to thrive today. Our core products are medical, beverage, and industrial gases. These gases are used in a wide variety of applications. In fact, it is hard to find anyone making something that does not use gas. Just sitting in your home, the contractor working on your air conditioning unit outside needs gas to weld or recharge your system. The balloons on your kitchen table celebrating a birthday are filled with helium. And your grandfather, I'm thinking it's his 90th birthday, is using oxygen to help him breathe and CO2 in his beverage to provide that fizz. Yes, the use of gas is all around us. The gas industry, however, can be a cumbersome and confusing structure to understand, especially those users who have numerous locations throughout the country. There are over 5,000 facilities that distribute gases, and each site has its own unique strengths and weaknesses. At Esprit, we give you an easy button. We make your life simple so you can focus on the things that matter most to you, like caring for a patient or supplying your customers with the products you sell. Behind this simplicity are the 4 key elements that make EspriGas very unique. Diagnostic reviews are our first key element. Our process starts by doing a complete review of your business, something that we've trademarked as Gasper. Through this process, we study safety, inventory management, financial controls, and total cost. Moreover, we make sure each location has the appropriate mode for their requirements. Flexibility is our second key element. We've spent the last couple of decades reinventing the whole concept of gas delivery. The company is built based on a network business model. Instead of trucks, we have technology. Instead of plants, we have world-class supply chain management. We stay nimble to ensure all of your locations have the best supply source for their market. As you can imagine, a location in Dallas would have a different supply need than one in, say, New York City. And because we don't own the plants and trucks, it's easy to change suppliers if a location's needs change. Technology is also key. We strive to make the ordering process hands-free and simple. Depending on the client, that can mean tying into their complex procurement platform or creating a unique portal for their locations. Esprit also has a dedicated data analytics team that analyzes your purchase patterns to ensure that as demand changes, we are quick to adjust. So your cost always stays in control, always. Single source is the final key element. With Esprit, you can get one voice for all the locations. We make those conversations simple, providing you with one single supply contact instead of numerous suppliers. So if you have locations in New York City, Seattle, Bridgeville, Pennsylvania, or Val, Colorado, you're gonna have one voice. The glue that binds all these elements together are our people. When we hire our people, we are searching for key cultural traits. We're looking for people who are friendly and competent. We're looking for givers, not takers. We want people who are continuously focused on learning and want to work in an environment where job titles aren't important. Indeed, at Esprit, we don't put job titles on our business cards. If you work for us, we want you focused on serving the customer or focused on someone who is serving the customer. That's a really core value here. So go ahead and focus on what is important to you. we will take care of the gases that are critical to your everyday life. We are EspriGas.